I can't spell plagiarism. Coding conventions. Illegal tag section. Disallowed variables. Completely removed code forever. The data for the ArcGirl system, data by system. All data for all subsystems comes before all functions for all systems, so we can avoid artificial dependency loops. The width and height variables are not objects nor systems, therefore they get the var keyword, not the let keyword, as used here for temporary object references. Refactored. Moved, also refactored. ArcGirl tick is just a refactor of some code that should look obviously suspiciously familiar. ArcGirl INI, also refactored, should look very suspiciously familiar. Clygame tick, also very suspiciously familiar. And Clygame game update loop, goal, also should be suspiciously familiar. We've updated the initializer code for initializing the client front end. The order of these is very important. An update on how I rant about error messages. And a footnote.